Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share another index card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations, and I'll have her link down below so you can go check out. I'll have the hashtag in the title so you can go and check out everyone who has created or participated in this open collaboration. And I think it's hashtag Deck the Year 2025, but I could be wrong. I think I've been putting 2025 or no date, no year. So anyway, I made a 4x6 tag. I was kind of inspired. Gosh, I can't remember who it was. Geez, but I was inspired to do a tag. And so I turned this index card into a tag. I put the date, July 17th, Deck the Year. I found these pens at the Dollar Tree, and they're silver and gold gel pens, and they write really well, I have to say. I mean, they write very well. Oh, well, you can't really see the gray one, but the gold I thought was great. So that's what I got at the Dollar Tree today. So this is my really simple tag, and I just layered those papers that I used for my my little mini journal here. I used some of the scraps that I had, and I just tore them. And this is a book page from my stash. I inked the edges. I added this curly gold shimmery ribbon. I used a hole reinforcer, and then the word says, "This moment, allow your soul to grow. Be strong and don't be afraid." And these words came from my friend Nada over at Nada's Crafty Creations, or Nada's Creations here on YouTube. She's not doing videos right now, guys, but stay tuned. She will be doing them soon. And then I have this rub-on that I added to a piece of paper, and I added it to my little tag. I didn't add anything else. I didn't see anything that I really wanted to put on this. I mean, I could put a tab on here, but I wanted to make these hidden paper clips that Michelle over at Pink Strawberry, I'll have her link down below, but she shared these hidden paper clips, or hidden paper clip tabs, that you could add to your journals and stuff, and I want to make them soon, so stay tuned for that. So this is my index card for Penny's open collaboration. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.